let's do a little short practice to increase resiliency, to just get us going. We're going to start with just some hand massage to begin with, activating the palms, activating the fingers. So just rubbing down the fingers. Get some energy flowing to all those acupuncture points that are in the tips of the fingers. Rub the hands together. Let's move the wrist. Kind of grab and just twist, starting above the elbow, below the elbow, and then into the forearm. Just getting some circulation down the hands. Ooh. Just shake a little bit. Let's do some tapping on the head. Another nice one. Just some gentle activations. Tapping on the head. Come down into the forehead, right above the eyes, over to the temples a little bit. Let's go around the eyes, right below the eyes, all the way around. Oh, under the nose, into the cheeks. But all the way around the mouth. So above the mouth, around the mouth, into the chin. Then let's get back up to the head. We'll do the back of the head a little bit. All around the ears, back of the neck. Just wherever feels good, just give it a little extra tapping. The jawline. Yeah. And then we'll just wipe down, we'll throw it a little bit. We've got these activated hands. We can just use them to smooth out and to send a little love to our face, our neck, our ears. Just notice how the body's feeling. Slow, deep breathing into the belly. In through the nose, out through the nose. Just that little bit of activation just does wonders for the body. Gets things circulating. Let's do a little bit of hip circles. Get our lower body activated a little bit. So just gentle, moving forward. Moving the weight to one side, back to the other side, front. Yeah. Just let the whole body move with that. You can let the neck move with it a little bit. Other direction. Feeling really good. Just some gentle activations. Back to center. Slow, deep breathing. Let's just pick up our feet. A little bit of movement for the ankles. Moving the knees a little bit. When you press down on your balls, energy comes up in the body. When you press down on your heels, energy goes down. So you can get up on the toes and drop the heels, get up on the toes, drop the heels, whatever feels good. I'm not going to do too much. I don't like it when my camera bounces when I'm filming. So I'll be gentle. Yeah, and then we can just circle them. You can do one at a time or both together. So yeah, moving them in the full range of motion every day is really good. Just that little bit just feels so good. Deep breath. Just letting all the stress fall off. Relaxation coming in. Now we're going to do a little chair movement, little flow. Brace the tiger, return to the mountain. So we'll start by gathering energy up from the earth. That's embracing our tiger energy. Just bringing that up to the chest, then pushing out and expanding around. Coming back down, lean forward. As far as you want to go, pull up that energy. You don't have to go all the way down. Pull it to the chest, push it out. Return to the mountain. Gathering. Exhale as we push out. Inhale all the way around. Little exhale here, and then come down and gather. Inhale. Up to the chest. Exhale. Anything you don't need goes out, and then you're just as still as a mountain. And then an exhale. Come down. Inhale, pull up. You can coordinate the breathing, or you can just breathe normally, whatever feels good. The idea is to release all tension, just move into flow state. So it doesn't matter exactly how you do it, as long as you're just flowing, very smooth. Really getting in touch with that feeling of the energy. Just feel yourself going down, gathering energy up. Comes up the legs, up the torso. It's radiating into the chest. And then you let go. And you spread it all through the body. And you grab some more of that wonderful earth energy. Imagine yourself scooping it up from under your feet. All the way up. Releasing energy into the world. Spreading it everywhere. That goodness that's everywhere just keeps spreading. Just moving into your quiet place. A lot of times when you're quiet like this, emotions will come up. Just let them be. Let them flow through you. Enjoy their visit. And then they're gone. Let's do one more. Grab that energy up. Bringing it through the body, out and around. Gather that in. Bring it straight into your belly, into that energy center in the middle of your belly. It's your fountain of youth. It's your primordial stores of energy. It's your battery pack. Slow, deep breathing, feeling the belly expand. The sides of the belly expand. The back of the belly expands, the back. Like you're a balloon. A balloon that's filling and emptying. Thank you for practicing with me today. You're amazing. Keep doing the Qi Gong.